Yo, when a salt is salt, no Jano Star, Warrvnt, when a dip and welcome to Sunday and Bones TV with the next update. And now the evening I will see a video circulate, you see it, you don't know. Police them take set pan Vice Cartel pitney them from couple months ago, you see it? Yeah man, and you don't know. Another situation and them say yo is a wrong address step on a warrant, you see it? I don't know if a shorty or hack away why the police them a grab up the youth them and a put on handcuff on them, you see it? But you don't know, them youth are solved still, I don't know what go down with them still, I don't know if I chew them father that prison, police them a take set still, you see it? But mama get hungry and I like what go on. Yo, I'm going to see the video and hear what go on, you see me? Yeah man, and just go and drop on a comment or anything down below. If Shorty should not ask and just make the police them sort out with them and say them and look for a war and just let them go about them business. You don't know, sometimes you have some situation you can deal with it different. You have to use anger and them thing there, you see it? Or forward up now video.
On the warrant, and them want torment people. That's all them want, torment people. Torment people. Wrong address, and this is what them doing. Them say them have a wrong address, and this is what them doing. Wrong address, and this is what them doing. What the sense for this? What the reason for this every single time?
Bro, which phone don't
wrong address and them a do it. And she laugh like it's funny. Wrong where the bread? Who took up my cornbread? What are them people? I meet them around with? Who took up my cornbread? I don't know. Tiffany, don't play with me. Me run cornbread joke. But I'm put on that phone, yeah. You know, say every time I want to be a nice little girl, them ramp with me. And then them say me angry. I don't run bread joke, I don't run cornbread joke, I don't run bun joke. You ate my cornbread?
Sierra almost took it.
What?
That's the full one too. That's what she.
No, Sierra. No, Yandy, you don't know. No. You don't see your work for your body, girl. Focus on your body. You work for your body, don't distract yourself.
I don't care about my body.
You that gym and walk on treadmill. Work for your body, goody. You go and work for your body. Me will work on the cornbread here. You crazy? Look at that, right in my bag there, so you must be mad. Then me could have done it and come here and don't eat bread. It's crazy. You go and work for your body, Yandy. You want to look good. You have husband. Want somebody can close them, got a car.
Oh yeah, where? Did you have a suitcase?
Make Yandy go and work for your body and look good. I have one tin of cornbread and I'm going to eat it right now. Emancipated album is out. If you don't understand what I'm going to take time out to explain to you now. Last year I dropped Emancipated album, but we never get a chance to go down in the song them. So right now we want to know, find any streaming platform you have. Look for Emancipated. Buy it, stream it, every song get on it a go on good. We're going to go through the line and tell you what I go on right now. Play something else. This new, drop today. New song drop today. That one in here broke out. What kind of selector this? Dancing time now. When the dancer them there, no talk to me, wake up everybody at night now. Emancipated album is out. Let's get into these songs real quick.
on this Sunday and Bones. You see them blogger here? No, normal. I want everybody check them in. You understand? I'm gonna get there and don't wait till next year. Go right now. I give it and say that all I want is roast or fry. Rope. What go on Sunday and Bones? You know what thing going on? Baddest blogger them, you know. I want everybody tune into them channel, you know. On a normal channel, you know. I give it and say that and a butter say that, you know. So you must know how it's set. Get there, don't wait till next year. Go check it out right now. Get there.
Harry and Jaden, when the two of them are big lion? You did do a skit on it?
When Perry and Jaden are no lion.
Yeah, when Jaden Perry lion. Yeah, answer me. Yes or no? Alright. You did do a skip on it, do it? Yes or no?
Yeah, we do a skip on it.
Alright. Did you place your picture in between Jaden and Perry on that skit?
Yeah, but that me normally do put
Then
picture.
that me use. That me use. So we had say. You want me rise the show? Alright, hold on. Stop. Big up me scream. You want me show you say a panda the panny? Panda, Beater, with Beater in the middle and Jaden on the left and Perry on the right? You want me show you? Say you're a skit me use? Alright, let me tell you something. When me I use it, let me tell you something. Listen, cause me know it hurt your feelings. You say anybody who did it on me live when me I use it, can tell us, me say, you know, say Beater go feel away, but why making sandwich himself between two Batman? God bust me blood clot head, say me say it on me live. Why Beater sandwich himself between two Batman? You never learn to put your brand on Batman brand. That's why me say pick a side. You can't with the Batty boys and with the gangsters. No, that now go blood clot work. That now go work around here, that we are clean up. So it's either you go by shit, you fish shit tack at them side, and stay over there, so brother, or you are there over guru them side. Nobody feel like you are the boat fence, you are boaty, you are transmission, you are blood clot pliers. You are not stretch class 2 foot.
Alright, but hear me out, me a say general, right? Just hear that part here. What me I say, you know say, alright. You know say.
Welcome to Jamaica, where when somebody borrow your money, them tell you exactly what they want it to do. Right? And this is the same Jamaica where when you ready back for it, you have to tell them exactly what you want it back to do before you can get it back. So let's say somebody borrow money and say, hey, no, so me know I borrow $10,000 because the kids have to go back to school and me not have the money right now, blah blah blah. Boom. Lend them. So you forget it back, best believe you have to give them back your reason back for your money, you know. You have to say, yeah, you know, so right now I'm carry 1 2 shots, so the money thing I'm lending, but I want it back in the car. I'm going to buy 2 shots for the car, them things, isn't it? You have to tell them back your reason why you want back your money. You know, just sit down and think you want to get back your money because you lend them money to give you a deal. No, this is Jamaica. You have to tell about the borrower. You have to tell about the person who borrow your money exactly what you want back your money for doing now. Just believe that, you know. Who can testify to this? Allow me to tell you?